Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 76 validate input attribute in MVC. So in this session you will learn how to validate input attribute in MVC. Before watching this video, please watch my part 73, 74 and 75. Inside of part 75 I was explained about require HTTP attribute in MVC. So let's begin. Validate input attribute is used to enable or disable request validation. By default, request validation is enabled in ASP.NET MVC and does not allow you to submit any HTML to prevent XSS cross-site scripting attacks. Means if the client want to attack or add to script from client side, he cannot .NET MVC cannot allow it to do. Okay, and to allow it we require validate input equal to false. By default, validate input is equal to true in ASP.NET MVC. What is AXS cross-site scripting attacks? That if you don't know, please watch my part 55, 56. Inside of that, I was explained about XSS. Okay, so let's flip to the Visual Studio and I will create one controller. Add controller, give it the name suppose validate controller, right? And inside of this controller there is one index method. So this index method have to add one view page, same name, suppose index view. Okay, we delete it and create one form. Okay, create one form at the rate using html.begin form dot using at the rate html dot begin form, and this form have the value suppose p comments. Okay, and we will add one text area control, and for that use the break. So now at the rate html dot text area, and inside of that we'll add id, suppose it is commands. Okay, and after that I will add one button input type equal to submit and value equal to submit, right? So this my form is generated and I will run it now, build it. Okay, let's check now. Error list, it's okay, zero errors. Run the program and let's check how gonna it looks like. I have used label comments and text area. Okay, why this scene? There is this tag here and using html.begin form, right? This will add and we will add here beer tag again. Let's run it. Right, Now it looks good. uh, okay, we will pass the value from here and click on submit. Suppose b hello and b. Complete. Submit it. It submits, but after submitting we need the string value, that the value is submitted. Okay, for that what we will do, we will add inside of the controller http post. So copy this, use http post tag, http post, and let's paste the method. Use the string to display the string when the value is posted, right? So this, we will return here the string, return string like this. The comment is plus the name of that control. The name of the control is comments. So this comments. Okay, save these changes and comments does not exist. This have this comments. Okay, let's pass this value inside of this method. So string and this comments. Okay, now the error is gone. So we will pass that text areas id inside of the controllers method and post that value and return the string. Okay, so now when we run the program and submit the value, it will display the string message whichever we passed in the controller, right? Okay, let's go hello. Okay, and submit it. It displays the comment is hello, right? Okay, but if I pass here the tag I between the string, the MVC doesn't allow this string input cross scripting attack. The script tag MVC doesn't allow. Client side validation by default true. So MVC will display this error if client passes the script tag from client side, right? So if we want client side validation, then we have to pass inside of the controller, we have to pass input validation false, right? So add here input validate input and false. By default it is true, so we have to pass false. Okay, now run the program and gonna check it. Now we will pass the scripting tag and post the value. The value will be posted using scripting tag because we have input validate false. So let's italic hello hello friends, and this one add. Okay, submit it. The comment is submitted and the string message is generated hello friends with italic tag. Scripting value is accepted now because of this. Okay, because of this. validate input false. You can see here, if I don't use this validate input false, then MVC will display this a potentially dangerous request form value was detected from the client error, right? So this is the end of my video session. Thank you for listening my video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, like it, share it. Thank you. Have a good day.